My name is Jitendra Patil. I am the director of Ashtavinayaka Techno Process Engineering Private Limited. We are associated with SourcePro from last 5 years actually. Initially, before implementing this ERP system or SourcePro system, we were facing a lot of issues at the site. Issues in the material planning, maintaining the inventory at the stores as well as the maintaining the stock at the site. So after implementing of the ERP, then proper purchase has been lined up, and even the project means mainly the project has properly lined up, as well as stores has been lined up properly. Our accounts has also been lined up properly, and especially if you say sales has also been lined up properly. So in all the sector we have that all the things have been streamlined, and we are getting the regular data, monthly data for our sales as well as the purchase. So according to that we can be able to determine that how much profit we are getting on all the things actually. So as far as SourcePro is concerned, they are a very good supporter for this implementation, as well as they give the timely services to us, and we are very thankful to their services.